And we're going to be checking out Eden's shop next. And Eden has custom ring designs. Okay. And 413 sales out of Laguna Hills. And I feel like, I don't know if I have looked at your shop before, Eden, but it looks pretty familiar. Let's check it out. Some beautiful items. Now, the photos, I would say these photos all really look nice. They look pretty. The gems are nicely centered. You've got a really nice clear photo. The diamonds are all sparkling. Look at these ones. Man, those are pretty. Diamond tennis bracelet, moissanite tennis bracelet, milgrain edge, 14 karat, custom order, 3.5 millimeters. So let's see, white gold gemstone, moissanite. So let's see here. You are welcome, Lori. Good luck when finding those backdrops there. So I am a little confused that you've got the keyword diamond, but it also has the keyword moissanite. So now I'm wondering which one is it? And let's see, beautiful, elegant, 7-inch tennis bracelets with the D color, moissanite stones. We've chosen the best stones with the most brilliance and sparkle. Tennis bracelets. If you wish to have diamonds set on the bracelet instead of moissanite, please message us. So moissanite is an extremely rare natural mineral, silicon carbide found deep in the earth. Okay, so it's not diamonds. And I see what you're doing here. You want to optimize for that keyword, because I'm sure that keyword diamond tennis bracelet probably has pretty good results. You look up diamond tennis bracelet. There's a lot of people searching for it, and you can see there's all sorts of other products that are clearly not diamonds. So it makes sense that you're putting that keyword in there, and I think it is super, super, super pretty. Now, moissanite grown under patented process, higher than the diamond, ranks at 2.6, while diamond trails behind at 2.4. One look at moissanite. Okay, I think that's smart. I like that you are explaining why this gem is better than diamonds. It's even more brilliant and refractive than diamonds, and it's even harder than a diamond. So that's really good. I think that's smart, because it's still a premium product at $1,100, $1,200. Even though it's not diamond, it's still a premium product. It's still, expensive. Obviously, it's not, maybe the Queen of England wouldn't wear it, but premium in my book. And it is beautiful. So all together, love it. I love that you have a really nice, clear description of the different gem. Compare quality about the stones, D quality, 52 stones. Every piece is made to the highest quality. All right. Now, I am curious, because I didn't see anything about the actual wrist size. Okay, so it's 7 inches. And I am curious, is that adjustable? And could you adjust it for me? And I don't know if you had any details in there, but if I was to buy this, I would definitely want to adjust it. I think that would be too large for my girlfriend. I would be worried that it was so large it would fall off her hand, and then we have a crisis. I've been around people losing fancy jewelry, and it's always a crisis to be somebody lost something at Pizza Hut one time. They lost like a ring, and my mom literally dug through all the garbage trying to find it for them. It was a disaster, and I don't think they ever found it, but I remember it took a long time, because my mom was determined. She's like, we're gonna find that thing, and we didn't find it, but she tried. So I would recommend putting together an option for people to adjust the size. I think that's going to be really critical and important. I think 7 inches is too large. For my girlfriend, it probably wouldn't fit her wrist. It'd be too big. Let's see here, though. I mean, across the board, though, your products are just stunning, really, really pretty. I love the colors, the images. I mean, I think you've done a great job with the keywords. I think you've done a great job on the photos. To get more sales, the next thing you can always do is renew your listings more. And you have a lot of, obviously, if you sell, this bracelet, $1,200, I'm guessing you're going to make a few $100s worth of profit. So in that case, you've got the ability to renew this listing a lot. And I recommend on just about any product whatsoever, you should be renewing that listing at least once a week. And I see this was listed on December 10th. And it's only got one favorite, so that actually might be when it was listed on. But you should be renewing these really, really, really frequently, because renewing your listing is the easiest way to stay at the top of search results. You've got this keyword right here, diamond tennis bracelet. There's 12,144 results. So the simplest way for you to compete with that, I think everything else looks good. The keywords are good. The photos are good. The pricing is good. I would just recommend adding the ability to change the sizing, giving some more clarity on how they can change the sizing. And then I would say renew this listing, and it's going to help you get to the front page for this big keyword, and it will help you get there. And you could literally renew this listing every single day. And think of it this way. For this listing right here, I don't know what your profit is, but I would say, $1,200, it's got to be at least, I would say it's probably at least 20%. Okay. So let's say it's 20%. If you make $240 to sell this, you can renew that listing a lot of times. If you renew this listing every single day, 30 days in the month, times 20 cents, it's going to cost you $6. So if you make one more sale for it and it costs you $6 to renew it, and if you made just one more sale a month, it would make you $240. If you made just one more sale a year, it would cost you $72 to renew this product every single day for the whole year, and it would still pay it for itself. So if I was you, I'd renew probably absolutely every single day, because it's just so cost effective when you have a high price item. You can actually use this app called Etsy on Sale. It's a great little app, and how it works is you can set up your listings to auto renew over here. So they charge based off of like credits or something, but it's super affordable. It's like a couple bucks a month or something like that. I'll pop in a link to it. You could go in here. You could set up every single product in your whole shop to renew every single day. And it will just get you more traffic and help you get right to the top. So love the shop, Maggie. Good luck with it there, or Eden. And hopefully you can get some more sales with that little renewal tip there.